Welcome back, dear students, to the new learning session of mathematics. In our last period, we have seen the chapter decimal, and I am sure that you must have solved all the examples on addition of decimals, subtraction of decimals. In today's period, we are going to start new topic, that is multiplication of decimals. There are many types of multiplying decimals, like decimal numbers with a decimal number with zeros, and decimal numbers with the whole numbers. Today we are going to start multiplying a decimal number by a whole number. So let's start with the example. If suppose I have to multiply 0.2 with 3, okay, जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो 0.2 इज अ डेसिमल नंबर वेयर एज 3 इज अ होल नंबर. ओके, जैसे हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, जैसे हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं, वैसे ही हम नंबर्स को अरेंज करेंगे. नाउ वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 टू 0.2. 3 2s are 6 and 3 zeros are 0, so no need to write before 6. Okay, after this we have to count the decimal places after the decimal point. Always remember, ठीक है. So 0.2 is a decimal number. यहाँ पे decimal point के बाद में कितने digits है? There is only one digit. Okay, so one decimal place only is here in 0.2, and 3 is a whole number, so there is no decimal place. After adding 1 and 0, we should be having one decimal place in our answer. Okay, ये जो मेथड है ये कंपलसरी नहीं है आपको लिखने के लिए, बट ऑलवेज वी हैव टू फाइंड द करेक्ट आंसर. सो ये अगर आप लिखोगे तो आपको इसकी हेल्प होगी करेक्ट आंसर फाइंड करने में. तो यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर कैसे आएगा? वन डेसिमल प्लेस वी शुड लीव एंड देन वी हैव टू गिव अवर decimal point and then we have to add here 0. So 0.6 will be our final answer. Okay, now let us check another example. If suppose 1.4, this is my decimal number, and 1.4 we have to multiply with 2. Here 2 is a whole number. Okay, now again start multiplying. 1.4 multiplied by 2. थोड़ी देर के लिए डेसिमल पॉइंट कंसीडर नहीं करना है. ओके, सो इट विल बिकम 14 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2. सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन जैसे करते हैं वैसे ही करना है. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. अगेन काउंट द डेसिमल प्लेसेस in both the numbers. Here is again only one digit after the decimal point, so I will write here one decimal place. 2 is a whole number. Again I will write here 0 decimal places. Now 1 plus 0, again 1 decimal place should be there in my final answer. So अब मैं क्या करूंगी? 1 decimal place I require. I will leave this 8 and then I will put my decimal point. So my final answer will be 2.8. Now let us start next type, that is multiplying a decimal number by a decimal number. Let us see one example. 1.3 multiplied by 2.1. Here as you can observe both the numbers are decimal numbers. Okay, so 1.3 multiplied by 2.1. कुछ देर के लिए हम ये decimal point consider नहीं करेंगे. So it will become 1313 multiplied by 2121. Okay, first of all we will multiply by 1 to 3, then to 1. Afterwards we will multiply with the help of 2 to 30. Let's start. 1 multiplied by 3, 3. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. 0. Now 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. After adding we will get 3 plus 0 3, 6 plus 1 7, 2 as it is. As we have seen in the previous examples, we have to count the decimal places for the correct answers. Here is again only one digit after the decimal point. So 1 decimal place. Now in 2.1 also there is only one decimal place after the decimal point. So in answer I will require 1 plus 1. How many? Yes, 1 plus 1, 2 decimal places there should be in our answer. So I will leave 3, 7 and then I will put my decimal point in between 2 and 7. So my final answer will be 2.73. Got it, dear children? Good. Now let us see another example. 0.8 multiplied by 2.3. Here again both the numbers are decimal numbers. Simple. 0.8 multiplied by 2.3. Again कुछ समय के लिए decimal point consider नहीं करना है. So 2.3 become 23 and 0.8 will become only 8. So multiply with the help of 3 to 8 first. 3 8s are 4, 2 carry, 3 0, 3 zeros are means 3 multiplied by 0, 0 plus 2, 2, 0 again, 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 multiplied by 0, 0, 2 1 plus 1, 1, by adding I will get 4 plus 0, 4, 6 plus 2, 8, 1 as it is. Now count the decimal places. 0.8 में कितने डिजिट है after the decimal point? Only 1. So here is 1 decimal place. In 2.3 is also there 1 decimal place. 1 decimal place. Now by adding I will get 1 plus 1 2 decimal places should be there in my final answer. Again leave 4, leave 8 and then give my decimal points. My answer will be 1.84. Now let us start some examples from exercise 5.1. Here I have taken first question. What the question says? Question is to multiply the numbers. Okay. So here is question number A. 5.3 multiplied by 9. As you can observe here, 5.3 is only a decimal number whereas 9 is the whole number. Okay. So 5.3 multiplied by 9. Again 5.3 अगर 2 मिनट के लिए डेसिमल नंबर निकाल दिया तो it will become 53. Simply we have to multiply with the help of 9. 9 3s are 27, 2 carry, 9 5s are 45 plus 2, 47. How many decimal places are here? 1 decimal place in 9, no 0 decimal place. So in answer I should require 1 decimal place only. So I will leave this 7 and then I will keep my decimal point in between 7 and 7. So 47.7 is my final answer. Okay. Now let's move towards question number B. In question number B, they have given 8.4 multiplied by 11. Here also one decimal number and another is a whole number. Let us start. 8.4 multiplied by 11. Yes, table of 11. 11 fours are very good. 44. 4 downside 4 carry. 11 8s are 88. 88 plus 4 92. Now for the correct answer we have to count the decimal places. Only one digit is there. 4 1 decimal place. In 11 no decimal place. So 1 plus 0. Again in answer there should be 1 decimal place. So I will keep my decimal point in between 2 and 4 and my answer will be 92.4. Got it? Now let us see question number J. Here is 9.7 multiplied by 0.8. Now both the numbers are decimal numbers. Okay. So 9.7 multiplied by 0.8. जैसे कि टीचर ने बताया डेसिमल पॉइंट 2 मिनट के लिए कंसीडर नहीं करने हैं. सो इट विल बिकम सिंपल. 97 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 8. सो 8 से हमको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो 8 7s are 56. 5 कैरी. 8 9s are 72 plus 5. 77. Here in 9.7 there is one decimal place and in 0.8 also there is a one decimal place. What is meant by decimal place? Decimal point के बाद में कितने डिजिट है वो काउंट करने हैं. 9.7 में भी एक डेसिमल डिजिट एक डेसिमल प्लेस है, एक ही डिजिट है डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद में, और 0.8 में भी एक ही डिजिट है. दैट्स व्हाई वन डेसिमल प्लेस. नाउ अभी 1 plus 1 कितने होते हैं? 2 decimal places should be there in my answer. So I will leave 6, I will leave 7 and then I will keep my decimal point. हमेशा याद रखना है decimal point देते समय हमको राइट साइड से स्टार्ट करना है फ्रॉम द वंस प्लेस. सो माय फाइनल आंसर विल बी 7.76. ओके डियर चिल्ड्रन. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर L. 2.9 multiplied by 0.06. Again both the numbers are decimal numbers. Similarly We have solved question number J. Again, start solving. 2.9 multiplied by 0.06. Decimal points consider करने नहीं है कुछ टाइम के लिए. So it will become 29 multiplied by 6. Very simple. Okay. So 6 9s are 54. 5 carry. Now 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 5 17. Now count the decimal places. Decimal point के बाद में एक ही digit है in 2.9. One decimal place, but in 0.06 there are two decimal places. Like decimal point के बाद में कितने digit हैं? 2 digit है. इसीलिए यहाँ पे लिखेंगे हम 2 decimal places. अब इन दोनों की एडिशन करने के बाद में हमको आंसर में कितने decimal places लीव करने हैं? 1 plus 2, it will become 3 decimal places. So leave 4, leave 7, leave 1 also, and then put your decimal point, and then you have to add here 0 for the correct answer. So my final answer will be 0.174. Now here we are going to see question number 4 multiply, which is quite similar to question number 1 only. So let's begin. Here I have taken first question number A. What does it say? 0.3 multiplied by 0.2. Again both the decimal numbers are here. 0.3 multiplied by 0.2. Decimal places consider नहीं करने हैं. So it will become very simple. 3 multiplied by 2. So answer will be 2 3s are 6. Now again count the decimal places. One decimal place, only one digit is here after decimal point. That's why I have written here one decimal place. In 0.2 also one digit only there after decimal point. So I have written here one decimal place. Now add 1 plus 1. How many? 2 decimal places I will require in my answer. So I will leave my 6. But teacher यहाँ पे तो सिर्फ एक ही digit है. So in this case what I should do? I have to keep here 0, then my decimal point, and then again I have to put my 0. Remember dear students, always in such kind of questions you have to put some extra zeros for the correct answer. Clear? Now let us move towards next question. Question number B. 0.4 multiplied by 0.1. 0.4 multiplied by 0.1. Again decimal points निकाल दो कुछ टाइम के लिए. कंसिडर करो उसको एज अ होल नंबर. 4 multiplied by 1. Very easy. What should be the answer? 4 1s are 4. Count the decimal places. One decimal place. In 0.1 also only one decimal place. So in answer 1 plus 1, 2 decimal places should be there. है ना? It is similar to the first example only. Again here is 0. I have to put 0, extra 0, then decimal point, and then extra 0. Answer will be 0.04. Got it? Now move towards question number E from question number 4 only. Let's see. 12 multiplied by 0.004. Okay, here 12 is a whole number where 0.004 is a decimal number. Let's see how to do the multiplication. 0.004. अब 0.004 में से डेसिमल पॉइंट अगर निकाल दिया तो क्या बचता है? 0004. What does it mean? Only 4. क्योंकि कोई भी नंबर के पहले जब हम 0 लगाते हैं तो उसकी वैल्यू 1 ये होती है. उसको 0 1 रीड करना जरूरी नहीं है. ओके, सो 12 multiplied by 4. 12 का टेबल, yes, 12 4s are 48. But this is not our final answer. I have to multiply by 0.004. Okay, so I will count the decimal places. In 12, sorry, in 12 there is 0 decimal places, and in 0.004 decimal point के बाद में कितने digits हैं? 1 2 3. How many? 1 2 3. So I will write here 3 decimal places. Now add this 0 plus 3. There should be again 3 decimal places in my final answer. So 8 I have to leave. 4 I have to leave. I have to keep here 0 and then decimal point again 0. So my final answer will be 0.048. Check your answer once. See, we have 3 decimal places. Correct है? Check करो. यहाँ पे भी 3 digits है क्या? Yes. So final answer is correct. Now let's move towards question number F. What does it say? 0.4 multiplied by 0.2. Very easy. Both are the decimal numbers. 0.4 multiplied by 0.2. होल नंबर्स में उसको देखो, 4 multiplied by 2 simple, 4 2 जा 8, but this is not the final answer. Count the decimal places. In 0.4 there is one digit, one decimal place, and in 0.2 also only one digit. So again one decimal place. So 1 plus 1 become 2 decimal places. Now 8, 0, and then decimal point, and then 0. So final answer will be 0.08.